Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a phone number from your YouTube channel. Let's get started. Make sure to watch the video till the end. To actually remove your phone number from your YouTube channel, you need to understand that your YouTube channel is linked to your Google account. So when you're talking about removing your YouTube channel's phone number, it basically means you're trying to remove the phone number from your Google account. That's how it works. You don't remove it directly from your YouTube channel or your YouTube account. To get started with this process, you just have to open up the YouTube app. Then you want to tap the profile icon from the bottom right-hand side here. Next, you want to go to the option called Google Account. Once you click on the option called Google Account, on the next specific page, you're going to find an option where it says Personal Info. So you want to navigate to Personal Info here. Scroll down a bit, and then you'll find a section where it says Your Phone Number. So you can see your phone number under Contact Info. I just need to tap on it. Once I tap on it, I just need to tap the phone number again. You can see this phone number is verified, and if I want to remove it, all I need to do is just tap the trash icon here. Now, keep in mind that deleting your phone number may make your Google account more vulnerable and susceptible to hackers and all those viruses. So you want to make sure that your Google account is secure at all times, because this is where the base foundation of your YouTube channel also comes from. I hope this video helps you understand how you can remove your phone number from your YouTube channel. The bottom line is your YouTube channel comes from your YouTube account, and your YouTube account is basically your Google account. And that's it, guys. If you want more similar tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.